What makes Python functions first class for parameters? Imagine being able to treat functions just like any other piece of data in Python. That's what makes Python functions first class when it comes to parameters. It's a powerful feature that opens up many coding possibilities. In Python, functions are objects. Just like numbers or strings, they have a type and can be stored in variables. For example, you can assign a function to a variable and then call it using that variable. This means you can do something like my function is equal to print message and then call my function. Because functions are objects, you can pass them as arguments to other functions. This is called passing functions as parameters. It allows you to write functions that accept other functions and apply them to data. For example, you could have a function called apply function that takes a function and a value, then applies that function to the value. This makes your code more flexible and reusable. You can also return functions from other functions. This is useful for creating function factories or decorators. For instance, you might have a function that creates and returns a customized greeting function based on input parameters. This way, functions can generate new functions on the fly, making your code dynamic and adaptable. Another interesting aspect is storing functions in data structures like lists or dictionaries. You can keep multiple functions in a list and call them dynamically. For example, you might have a list of different mathematical operations and apply them based on user input. This approach makes your programs more organized and easier to extend. When you think about function parameters, the fact that functions can be passed, returned, and stored just like any other object means you can design more modular code. You can write higher-order functions that take other functions as input, making your code cleaner and more efficient. It's a core part of Python's design that encourages flexible and concise programming. So, in simple terms, Python functions are first class because they can be assigned to variables, passed as arguments, returned from other functions, and stored in data structures. This flexibility allows programmers to create more dynamic, reusable, and elegant code. It's a key reason why Python is so popular for writing clear and powerful programs.